Hi, I am walking through London right now. How are you doing? I'm doing fine. And it's raining. Well, yes, it's Friday afternoon, my third Friday here in London, and I decided to go to Victoria and Alber Museum. It's like the perfect weather for it. You see, rainy, nobody there. Some buses, cars, whatever. And me. I'm at Kensington Palace Garden right now. Or blame on me. Shame on me. I'm being awkward. Whatever. So yeah, crazy thing though. People still run. Respect. Someday I'll be riding those bikes when it's not raining. Ooh, that's big. And this is making noises. Hey ho! Robert of Albert Hall. So let's continue the way. I'll get out of here. Science Museum was over there. Natural History Museum over here. And the line is long. Don't see the end. I'll go to the Victoria and Alber Museum. Yay! In the Victoria and Alber Museum. Of course, I have to take a video for that. Big carpet in the background. Cambodia. Victoria and Albert. That thing here is something I don't know. So, hello! Now back at home. Went to the Victoria and Albert Museum, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See ya!